we'll guide you through how to deploy your application on Vercel, making your development process smoother and more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to vercel.com. Make sure you have an account and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Vercel dashboard. From there, you'll see a button that says New Project. Click on it. Now, you need to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to Vercel if you haven't done so yet. This connection allows Vercel to access your repositories for deployment. After connecting, you'll see a list of your repositories. Choose the one you want to deploy and click Import. Vercel will automatically detect your project's framework, but you can adjust any settings if needed. This is where you can specify build and output settings if your project requires any special configuration. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will now start building your project, and you'll see a live log of what's happening. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of your project. Once the build is complete, Vercel will provide you with a URL where your application is live. You can share this URL with others or use it to test your application yourself. Vercel also allows you to set up custom domains if you want a more professional URL. Simply go to the domain settings in your project dashboard to add or purchase a custom domain. And that's it. Your application is now live on Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.